Hello guys, we'll go with your second algorithm. Okay, same problem. Consider the following page reference string for a memory with 3 frames. How many page fault would occur for? We'll discuss with now LRU. Okay, what do you mean by LRU? Is nothing but least recently used. Least recently used. Least recently used. So you need to replace the page that is leastly used. Okay. So I said how many frames here? 3 frames. As soon as that the process is divided into pages, memory is divided into frames. How do you allocate these pages into your frames? And whenever your memory is full, at that time you need to go for your page replacement. At that time what happens is whenever your memory is full, you need to go for what? Page replacement. And one method what we are using is LRU, least recently used. They said the page frame is how much here? 3. Initially it is empty. First page 7 is not in memory. Insert that. Whenever you insert the page into your memory, that is your page fault, or you can say it is what? Page miss into output. Okay. Next 0, not in memory. Not in memory, insert that page. Again, that is called as what? Page fault. So this is your frame number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, the next page is which one here? 1. That page is not in memory. Space is there at your third stop. Insert that, and that is also called as what? Page fault. Next, what is your page number? Is 2. It is not in your memory. You have to go for what? Page replacement. What we are using is LRU. 701, which is leastly used. I need to go to your left side. Okay. So in 701, 1 is here only, 0 here, 7, which is leastly used. That has to be replaced. That has to be replaced. Which one least used is? 1 is here, 0 is here, 7 is least used. So replace 7. Swap out 7 and swap in which one here? Page number 2. Again, there is a replacement. Again, you have inserted your page. That is called as what? Page fault or page hit. 0 page, but it is already in memory. Don't go for replacement. That is called as page hit. No replacement. 3, not in memory. You have to go for replacement. In 201, 0 is here, 2 is here, which is leastly used. Out of 201, 0 is here, 2 is here, which is least used is 1. So replace that 1. So swap out 1 and swap in your page number 3. Page replace, that is called as page fault. Hope you are clear with this. So in 201, 3 is not there. If you want to insert in 201, which is least used, 0 is here, 2 is here, 1 least used. Towards left you have to check. So 1 is replaced, 1 is swapped out, and 3 is swapped in. Hope you are getting. So next 0, already in memory. Don't go for replacement. That's why it is what? Page hit. Hope you are getting. 4, next page is your 4. Not in memory, you have to go for replacement. So 4 has to be replaced in 203. Okay, 0 is here. Okay, 3 is here, 2 is leastly used. So in 203, 0 is here only, 3 is here only, 2 is least used. So replace what? 2. Swap out 2, swap in which one here? Your 4. Again, replace your page, that is called as your page fault. Next 2. 2 is not in memory, you have to replace in 403. 4 is here, 3, 0 is here, 3 is leastly used. So what happens is replace 3, swap out 3 and swap in which one here? Your 2. Again replacement, that is called as page fault. Okay, clear? Okay, 3 not in memory. In 402, 2 is here, 4 is here, 0 is least used. So swap out 0 and swap in what? 3. Again replace, that is your page fault. 0 not in memory, you have to replace in 432. 3 is here, 2 is here, which is leastly used is 4. Replace your 4. Swap out 4, swap in which one here? Your 0. Again replacement, that is called as page fault. 3 is already in memory, so at that time what happens? Don't go for replacement. That is what you can say is page hit. 2 is already in memory, don't go for replacement. It is called as what? Page hit. So both are called as what? Page hit. Okay, 1 is not in memory, you have to go for replacement. In 0, 3, 2. 2 here, 3 here, which is least used is 0. So swap out 0 and swap in which one here? 1. Replace page fault. 2 already in memory, don't go for replacement. That is called as what? Page hit. 0 not in memory, you have to go for replacement. In 1, 3, 2. 2 is here, 1 is here, which is least used is 3. So what you have to do? You have to replace which one? Sorry, you have to replace which one here? See, 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 2 is here, 1 is here. Least recently used is what? 3. So I need to replace 3 with what? 0. Again replace your page. That is called as what? Page fault. Hope you are getting. 1 is already in memory, don't go for replacement. 1, 0, 2, that is called as what? Page hit. 7 not there, what do you have to do? You have to replace in 1, 0, 2. 1 is here, 0 is here, 2 is least recently used. Replace which one? You have 2. Again replace, that is called as page fault. 0 already in your memory, 0 already in your memory, don't go for replacement. Don't go for replacement, that is called as what? Page hit. 1 already in your page memory, 1 is already in memory, don't go for replacement, that is called as what? Page hit. That's it, page hit. And page fault, whichever into it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So page fault for your LRU is how much here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Page fault is for your LRU, how much I got is 12. For FIFO I got how much? 15. Right. And if they asked hit ratio, which all right is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by total number of pages into 100, it is your hit ratio. Miss ratio is nothing but page faults. Page fault is how much? 12. Total number of reference string 20 into 100. That is your miss ratio. So these are all algorithm for which one here? LRU. Hope you are clear. We'll take one more example. On your LRU. They have said that consider the same thing, page reference string as follows. Totally 20 strings are there or 20 pages are there in this particular order, and for a memory with how many frames? They have said it is 4 frames. The memory with how many frames here? 4 frames. At a time we can insert only 1 page. Okay, so let me go with LRU something but least recently used. You have to check towards your left. Leastly used. That's it. You have to check towards left. Okay, 1 is not in memory. Enter into your frame. 2 not in memory. Free frame is available. Enter. 3 not in memory. Free frame available. Enter it. 4 not in memory. Free frame available. Enter it. Okay, this is all called as what? Whenever you enter the page into your frames, that are called as page faults. Okay, 2 is already in your memory. Now frame is full. Next frame is what? 2 is already in memory. So 2 is already in memory. Don't go for replacement. Don't go for replacement. You place the same thing. It is called as hit ratio, not replace. 1 already in your memory. Don't go for replacement. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also called as what? Hit ratio. 5 not in your memory. You have to replace. What you need to do in 1, 2, 3, 4, which is leastly used, you need to check towards left side. So here, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is here, 2 is here, 4 is here, 3 is least used. So swap in 3 and swap in which one here? Your page number 5. Hope you are getting. And your replace, this is called as page fault. 6, not in your memory, you have to go for replacement. So at that time what you do? In 1, 2, 5, 4. 5 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 4 is least recently used. So 4 will be swapped out and you are swapping in which one here? 6. And remaining everything is same. And again replace, that is called as page fault. 2, already in your memory, don't go for replacement. 1, 2, 5, 6. That is called as hit ratio. 1, already in your memory, don't go for replacement. 1, 2, 5, 6. It is called as hit ratio. 2, already in your memory, don't go for replacement. 1, 2, 5, 6. So again what it is? Hit ratio. 3 is not in your memory, you have to go for replacement. So in 1, 2, 5, 6, from here you have to check. 2 is here, 1 is here, 6 is here, which is least recently used is 5. So replace 5. Swap out 5 and swap in which one here? 3. And other things let it be as it is. This is called as page fault. 7, not in your memory, but frame is full, you have to go for replacement. So in 1, 2, 3, 6. 3 is here, 2 is here, 1 is here, 6 is least recently used. So replace your 6. Swap out 6 and swap in which one here? 7. Again replace, that is called as page fault. Now again 6, not in your memory, you have to go for replacement. So in 1, 2, 3, 7. 7 is here, 3 is here, 2 is here, 1 is leastly used. So replace 1. So what I do is swap out 1 and swap in which one here? 6. And again there is a replace, that's what page fault it is. 3 already in your memory, don't go for replacement. So 6, 2, 3, 7. Hit ratio. 2 already in your memory, don't go for replacement. So again 6, 2, 3, 7. That is also what you can say is hit ratio. 1, not in your memory, you have to go for replacement. So for that what you will do? In 6, 2, 3, 7. 2 is here, 3 is here, 6 is here, 7 leastly used. So replace 7. Swap out 7, swap in 1. That's it. So your replace, that is called as what? Hit ratio. Sorry, misread, and it's called as what? Page fault. Page fault. 2 is already in your memory, don't go for replacement. So 6, 2, 3, 1. So no replacement, that is called as page hit. 3 already in your memory, don't go for replacement. 6, 2, 3, 1. So it is called as hit ratio. 6 already in your memory, don't go for replacement. It is what? 6, 2, 3, 1. And again that is also called as hit ratio. So page fault for this string, if it is memory frame as 4, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again for this also I am getting what? Page fault as what? 10. Hope you are clear. This is what you need to write. And if they has hit ratio, whatever the number of times you not replaced, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 divided by total number of string is 20 into 100. This is your hit ratio. Miss ratio means how many times you are replaced, means page fault divided by number of strings into 100. So page fault is how much here? I got 10. Total number of string is how much? 20. Again this into 100, that is also what? Your miss ratio. Okay. But if you write this is enough. Page fault equal to what? 10 for LRU for this string if it is of what? 4 frames. Hope you are clear with your LRU.